Right, now I want you to close your eyes for a second. Actually, don't close your eyes because you won't be able to read the subtitles, but stay with me. I want you to imagine you've just bought a Porsche. Not a second-hand one with a dodgy service history and a smell you can't quite place. A brand new one, your dream car. You've stretched for it, worked hard for it, saved for it, and the moment you drive it off the forecourt, it's everything you ever wanted. Now ask yourself, are you going to insure that on the cheapest third-party policy you can find on a comparison website? Of course you're not. You're going to get fully comprehensive cover. You're going to make sure it covers the car itself, not just damage to other people. You're checking there's a courtesy car included, so you're not stranded if it goes in for repairs. And you're making sure that things like accidental damage is covered, windscreen replacement is sorted, and the whole thing is properly, genuinely, comprehensively protected. Because why on earth would you do anything else for something you've worked so hard to own? And now here's my question. Your home is worth more than that Porsche. A lot more. The average UK house price is currently around £268,000, and that's before you factor in everything inside it. Your furniture, your appliances, your electrics, your clothes, your jewellery, things with sentimental value you could never ever replace. And yet a huge number of UK homeowners are happily protecting all of that with the cheapest policy they can find on a comparison website, without even reading a single line of the small print. And I'm going to be honest with you. That is the insurance equivalent of using a piece of string to lock your front door. It looks like you're doing the job until someone actually pulls on it. And here's the thing that really gets me about this. People will spend more time choosing the right comprehensive cover for a car than they will ever spend thinking about their home insurance. And it makes no logical sense whatsoever. The car depreciates the moment it leaves the forecourt. Your home in most cases goes up in value. The car can be replaced. Your home is irreplaceable in every way that actually matters. And yet somehow the most important asset most of us will ever own ends up with the policy that was the third on the list when we sorted by price on a comparison site. So what does genuinely good home insurance look like? Think of it like the fully comprehensive equivalent for your home. A de facto 5-star rating buildings and contents policy is independently assessed by an organisation that has been financially rating products in the UK since 1994. And it's given the highest possible rating for its features and benefits. That means things like proper accidental damage cover as standard, not a bolt-on extra you forgot to tick. Real escape of water protection, which matters because water damage is one of the most common home insurance claims in the country. Alternative accommodation if your home becomes uninhabitable. Cover to a level that actually means something. New for old replacement on your contents, so if something is damaged or stolen, you get a proper replacement, not a token payout that doesn't even come close. And critically, a building sum insured that properly reflects the true rebuild cost of your home, not the market value. The actual cost of knocking it down and rebuilding it from scratch. Because as I've covered in earlier videos in this series, rebuild costs across the UK have risen around 40% since 2020, and 76% of UK buildings are currently underinsured, which means 76% of homeowners think they're covered and they're not fully. Now here is the brilliant bit. The difference in premium between a basic policy and a genuinely comprehensive de facto 5-star rated policy is often far smaller than people think. In the same way that fully comprehensive car insurance in the UK is frequently cheaper than third party only, because the risk profile of the person buying it is generally better. A properly structured home insurance policy arranged through a knowledgeable advisor can be great value. You just need someone in your corner who knows what they're looking at. And this is exactly what I do. Whether you are buying your first home, coming up for renewal, or you just never actually checked whether your current policy is doing what you think it is, I can help. Drop me a message using the links in my bio and let's make sure your biggest asset is properly protected like it deserves to be, not insured like a banger. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor, serving clients up and down the UK. Drop me a like and a follow for more and hit the links in my bio to get in touch. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.